If you want to use the link to Windows on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, first of all we need to go to Settings. Now over here in Settings, go to Device Connect, and after that we're gonna tap on PC in here. Now in the upper right corner we can tap on these three dots and you can find Connect to Windows. Now we can of course sign in by choosing our Microsoft account, the same one that we use on our computer, or we can choose to sign in with the QR code. So we can use the QR code scanner that we can get on our Windows PC. And in order to get the QR code, you have to open the Phone Link app, which you should have installed on your Windows. You can of course choose Android over here, and then you can get the QR code. So you want to scan it and then follow the rest of the instructions, where you will have to also provide a code that will be generated in this window. So just follow the rest of the steps and you should be able to connect your phone with the link to Windows. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.